मूंग दाल पकौड़ा।
Two cups of moong dal soaked for 2 hours. 2 bunches of chopped maki bhaji. 1 chopped onion, 2 green chilies and some chopped curry leaves. Salt as per taste. Half tsp of baking soda. Transfer soaked moong dal in a jar. Add green chilies. Add little water. Moong dal batter is done. Transfer moong dal batter in a mixing bowl. Add chopped curry leaves. Add chopped onion. Add chopped maki bhaji. Add salt. Add baking soda. Give a nice mix. Packer batter is ready. Heat oil in a kadai and fry pakra. Fry packers on medium flame. Fry packers until turn into golden brown. Flip on other side and fry. Packers are fried well. Remove them. Packers are done. Crispy and tasty moong dal packers are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.